Yes. Me and a brother on the radio the other day, and so Jamaica radio station and start to play too many
Viewers and subscribers, you think Simita play? When you talk about put the pep in the step at them money are dealing this no joke around here. Simita and Asphalt mean business.
Yo, I know see a Elrico Legacy I represent for Michael Super Awesome channel. You see me as a like, share, subscribe, comment, click on the vlogging channel. You see me as a image jogging plan.
Viewers and subscribers, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another update. Welcome back to the development of St. Thomas. It continues day 2. Asphalt paving in Mount Lebanus. As we say, closer and closer to them destination, viewers and subscribers. As we say, alive, we are getting rain and fall, you know. Because from the other day, we have a good amount of rain, viewers. As you see, we are showing us in the rain here. But there's a good thing about it, you know, viewers. The rain and fall, but the place not really sappy as you can see. You understand? Yeah, it's not really sappy. So where them are asphalt, it's not sappy, it's not saffy. And the water running at the drain and all them things there, so the water not really interfere with the work what them are work. It's just that rain and fall and the thing hot. I don't know what them are work with. So one of the things, remember, speak your mind down in the comment section, you know they do, so just do they do. As I say, I like with the life on the scene, you know, viewers and subscribers. Simit and Asphalt now play. Them man here put pep in at this step and I'm not joke thing around here, you know. So what? Just stick and stay, you know. I'm not going to see everything, you know, we are going to show with details and make you see what going on, you know, viewers. So what? Just stick and stay. Bless up to each and every one, you know, that playing their part by growing this channel from strength to strength. All now rain, we are out here. All in the rain, we are out here. See my umbrella here, you know, viewers. Yeah, my umbrella that. Jaja. Yeah, so kind of narrow still. Yeah, so kind of narrow. If I can check it, viewers. And a while they kind of come out in the road still. I don't know why them do a work like this, but just hopefully it not really create no animosity because it can't move again, it can't solve again. Yes, it can solve, but they're not going to do that again. You have to knock down the wall and walk me up, but it's a life for some time. Always trying to bust up. So let's just take you for the machine of viewers. You're gonna see it live. Rain again, viewers. So this is rain and asphalt at the same time, viewers. With the heat, you see the amount of heat. I tell you, viewers and subscribers, that this, so you know if you do the thumbs up, you know, just press the thumbs up for this man, because you know them something here, you know. We stick way up and we still out here and make you see what go on, viewers. You get what I say? So bless up to each and every one that playing their part by growing this channel from strength to strength, you know. The amount of heat will come up off it, viewers. I'm on the rain. Lots of rain. We get a whole lot of rain from the other day, viewers and subscribers. Lots of blessing flowing this side, you know. And the next thing again, you know, viewers, yes, have to give them team, them work money and prop, you know. You have to give them prop viewers because rain a fall and them in it. I not tell about no man who run out tight. As I see that generally upon it, the back of the paper machine, they say, see him, and well wet. You know what I say, viewers? Yes, man, that man well wet, viewers. And watch him now run out tight, him still there with it. So see the thumbs up there. See the thumbs up there, viewers. That man, press the thumbs up, man, for them, man.
Good.
So viewers and subscribers, as I say, we reach right at the little bridge now in Mount Lebanus. Up here, sir, that's where QT did our business run by our son now, Tick. So we just say we couldn't know exactly where the asphalt reach at this present moment. We don't know how many truck left, but I can tell everybody say it passed QT place now. That for the original people man who Mount Lebanus from longer time. For the younger youth them, I can't tell anybody say it reach a Tick shop now.
No, you understand.
So that's a little bridge over there. So what am I doing now, viewers and subscribers? Through it have a little turn off to enter the bridge. So what am I doing? put some of the asphalt down that way there, down that side there. So, you know, them can have a little bit of drive down to drive to the bridge. As you can see, this is the main road, you know. Down here, so, is a little turn offs. So they might assist by putting some asphalt down there too. Okay? Yeah. Whiter than in team, you know, man. So you know it going on. So we are making us see what go on, you know, viewers. All in the rain. We are here making us see what go on. So you know if you do the do. So just do the do now. Like, comment and share, and if you're new, I would love you to subscribe to my channel. When I do subscribe, just turn on the notification bell, put it on all, so that when you drop a video, you're the first one to be notified. Ads are placed and the videos are watching out for my viewers. Manners and thanks are doing. So, I don't know, we tell you now if you deal with ads already, just make it come like say, when I listen to the radio, and advertisement chip in. Soon done, go back to the show again, boom. You see it? Yeah. I hate when the man enjoy for the thing you see, man, boy, I tell you. But anyway, them can't do better because there's no else they can't drive. No else if they drive. Third world country. Place narrow up and all them something there. Rain again, viewers. When they want a steam. Look at it now, viewers. See the amount of steam. And the smoke that, you know, viewers, a steam. It's a steam. I ease up our fight it now, viewers. Straight along. So I say press the thumbs up to the workers them, you know, viewers. Right, to make them sick, man, and we out here also. So now give me 1,000 like on this, you know, viewers. Yeah, man, have to give me 1,000 like on this, man, to encourage me to do it again. Steamy. Cha-cha. Check out details now, viewers. Remember, speak your mind down in the comment section. Check it out now, viewers. Against the wall now. Look on it now, man. Cha-cha. Viewers, I hope you now look on details, you know, now look on the levelness. When I check the details, them viewers. And remember, as you say, the comment is there. Get active there. Check out details now, viewers. Watch 11 now. Just check the thing now. Look right across the road now, viewers. Cha-cha. Check roll against wall, viewers. Can't get no closer than that. Cha-cha. So as we say, you can call when we say details, man, We always are getting a details, making us see fully what take place, viewers and subscribers. So when you say watch details, look out for details, man. Watch them joining, I just say paver alone I do this, viewers. Cha. Detail you want, viewers. Detail me again, make you see. It's like a year, viewers. Yes, like the right on the ground, right on the spot at the time. You get what I say, viewers? Yes, sir. Cha. So my viewers, so my subscribers, so the people who do they do. You see, we bring it to you know, make you see what going on in the development of St. Thomas. As we say, we are in Mount Lebanus, to be exact, section of Cedar Valley Road. This road take you to Cedar Valley Road, back and from to Trinityville also, Seafort right there. You understand me I say? So as I say, the asphalt paving continue. As I say, Banana River then destination. That's where them are going to meet up on the next asphalt to come and stop this up. This one coming from Trinityville. Okay, viewers? So we say what? Just do you know, and stick and stay. And we are going to show you officially when them finish with the work for them done for the day. Okay, viewers? So just stick and stay with me, okay? Bless. So viewers, the new 2023 Mount Lebanus. The new 2023 Mount Lebanus viewers and subscribers. Let's take a walk on it now, viewers. This is what the new Mount Lebanus look like now. If you're coming to St. Thomas, heading to Cedar Valley, taking it from Seafort side, you have to drive on this road, viewers and subscribers. So this is the new Mount Lebanus, what it look like now in 2023. Remember the waterfall, when you know Mount Lebanus, I need drive from here to go Cedar Valley. So you know what we are talking about. This is it, viewers. Sorry. So my viewers and my subscribers, now that we come to the end of another video. So we bring it to you now, make you see what I go and say. If you are new and subscribe to my channel, welcome to my channel. And if you did leave a like, thank you very much for leaving a like. You leave a comment, yes, that way if you get active down in the comment section. So we say if you watch out to add something, yeah man, it do me a lot. So we say now that you come to the end of another video, you know. See you people in the next video, you know. Safe travel on the gravel. I'm out.